On behalf of the delegation of the main partners of Somaliland, including also United Nations and IGAD, and including also other partners that could not join the mission but gave us the capacity to talk on behalf of them, we would like to issue a small declaration. First, we would really like to thank and congratulate the work that the Mediation Committee, a local initiative, a home-ground initiative, the work that the committee has done for the last weeks, and they have set up a very good example, not only for Somaliland, but also for others in the region and elsewhere. The second thing, we would really like also to commend the reactivity of the three political parties by accepting immediately after the proposal put on the table by the Mediation Committee. We believe that this is what the citizens of Somaliland were waiting for. We believe that there is no winner or loser in this proposal, but the general interest of Somaliland. Finally, we would really like to, on behalf of the international community and the partners of Somaliland, we would really like to encourage the political parties to sit together and set up a calendar for implementing the proposal of the Mediation Committee. This calendar should be clear, should be detailed, and should lead the Somaliland towards parliamentary and local elections as soon as possible by mid-2020. We also expect that the current NEC, the current National Electoral Commission, and the Parliament, that they also stay at the level of commitment and engagement in favor of the general interest that we have seen from the Mediation Committee and from the political parties. Thank you very much.